Hey guys, it's Fancy here. So today I'm doing a rather short set for my standards usually, and I'm just starting out with a glitter that I've had for a really long time. I actually didn't mix this one myself. I bought this one on Etsy years ago and I've never really had a chance to use it. So I can't really tell you where to get this one. But anyways, moving on, I'm just putting this on the ring fingernail, and then I'm going to be doing a maroon color that I did mix myself on the rest of the nails, and I'm only going to show you one of the nails just because all three of them are going to be the same. Also, I always forget to mention that in between each nail I do pinch them just as soon as they start turning matte and stop being so soft. Then I just go in and pinch them. I just always cut that part out, but I do forget to mention it. So after I've filed and buffed the nails, I then just go in with some pure acetone and I wipe all the lasting little bit of scratches that might still be there. And now I'm going in and I'm just applying some different sized crystals that I have to just kind of make a simple design, nothing too intricate or anything. Alright, so this is the final design. If you like it, please leave a like, maybe leave a comment, subscribe. Any of that really helps me out. And until next time, stay fancy.